Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Siddiqa Putra. I will explain my project for the midterm. The midterm for the computer vision lesson is we have to classify the dataset that we have got from the Kaggle is the MNIST dataset, and we have to process the raw dataset, implement the HOG feature extraction, implement the classifier SVM, super vector function, and that we have to evaluate the performance metrics. For the preparation dataset, we have used 2,600 sample for this project, and for the each class has 100 sample, so we have 26 class, and then we have to shuffle the dataset before we processing, and we split the dataset for the 80% training and 20% testing. After that, we have to using the HOG feature extraction, and we have to change the parameter like orientation, pixel per cell per block, and then the dataset will be classification using SVM support vector machine, and we have to change the SVM parameter like the kernel type, regulation C, and the gamma. And then we have to measuring the training performance, and we have to use the grid search technique to find the best performance. After the dataset have the training classification using SVM, we have to analyze the evaluation from the 80% dataset and 20% dataset by analyze the performance metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. This is my midterm project. I have built the first thing I have put on the cell is we have to import the library. I have to use NumPy for the operation numeric, Pandas for the manipulation data, Matplotlib for the visualize, and SkyImage for the visualize, SkyImage feature HOG for extraction HOG, sklearn SFM SVC for the model SVM, sklearn model selection train test split is for the split the data, and sklearn metric is for the evaluation data, sklearn pre-processing standard scalar for the scaling feature. After we import the library for this cell, we have to processing the dataset from the MNIST. I call the dataset from the Kaggle with this path, and I have called the dataset for each class is 100 sample, and I have to shuffle the dataset for each sample is random. After that, we have to extraction using the HOG using the function extract HOG feature. We reshape the image to 28 pixel, and for the orientation I set to 9. For the pixel per cell is 4.4, and for the cell per block is 2.2. And then after we have definition for the extract HOG feature, we have to split the dataset. I have split the dataset 80% for train and 20% for test. This is I set the test size is 0.2, and this is the result that I have extrain is 2080, and for X-test is 520. And this is visualized for the sample after we extraction using HOG. from the image that we have to resave the pixel to 28, and using the orientation value is 9, pixel per cell is 4 to 4, and cell per block is 2. This is the result for the HOG visualization from the original image. After that, we have to scaling the extract HOG feature by using the new variable extract HOG and extest HOG. I used to use standard scalar for the transfer the dataset to the new variable, and we got the dataset that have extraction and scaling with the variable name is extract HOG and extest HOG. After that, we have to training the dataset for using model SVM. I use the parameter for SVM is kernel using RBF, radial basis function, and for the regulation C is I using 10 for value. For the gamma, I use the scale. After the dataset have trained, we using SVM. The model is visualize the confusion matrix from this cell evaluation. As you can see, this is the result for the training that we got. The recall is 0.765 to 0.092, and for this is for the F1 score we got from the low is 0.62, and we got the best F1 score 0.65, and for the accuracy we have got the 0.80, and the average macro we got the 0.83, and the wake average we got the 0.832. The overall accuracy score I got the 83.08%. This is the confusion matrix for the each class from the 26 class. That's all my explanation for the midterm project. Thank you.